Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to see your browsing history on Temu on your laptop or PC. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to see what items they've browsed around and seen before. How do you actually go ahead and see your browsing history on Temu? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is that first you're going to log into your Temu account, and then next you're going to highlight this option right here that says Orders and Account, and then click on Browsing History. So once you click on Browsing History, you'll be able to see all the different items that you've actually gone ahead and browsed around on Temu. So it's organized by date. And then if you want to go ahead and delete some items, maybe you're trying to buy a gift for someone, you can click on Manage, and then you can select the item or the day that you want to go ahead and delete. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and see your browsing history on your PC, laptop, or desktop on Temu. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.